Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your app supports toggle triggers and that you can access the target element. Once done, locate the element ID or selector, for example hash menu toggle, and note its initial state. Then create a lightweight test harness or use a staging build. Make sure to back up state so you can revert. Next, add the minimal event listener to initiate toggling. This first action proves the path works and prevents broader breakage later. Now implement the core toggle logic. You attach an event listener, click, keypress, or a custom event so input reliably triggers the change. Once triggered, read the current state and flip it atomically. This prevents race conditions when multiple inputs occur. Also update UI affordances, add or remove CSS classes, set area attributes for accessibility, and coordinate animations so visuals match the state. If you centralize state in one place, you make debugging and future changes far easier. Finish by validating behavior across devices and edge cases, rapid repeated toggles, focus loss, or simultaneous inputs. If toggles misfire, add debouncing or a brief lock during animations so state changes cannot collide. Make sure you log state transitions and provide a fallback to a safe default if an error occurs. If things still go wrong, inspect logs for inconsistent state flips and verify your selector targets. Often a mismatched selector or missing area update is the single.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.